Let us talk about energy in this video. An awesome evening to everybody watching this video. This is H245 Prime video. Your every single day is not going to be the same. Some days you will have the energy to do the work, to do the extra hard work, to do the extra hustle, to go for the passive hustle. Some days you will not be having the energy, no matter what you have did or not did in that particular day. It might happen that you did not did anything that will drain your energy in that day, but still you feel tired, still you feel your mood is off, still you feel you're having a tough day, and that is completely all right. In that particular moment, you don't have to stress yourself too much. You just have to accept the fact that this is the day that my energy is not on level, not on point, but still I just have to do one particular mission. In that particular day, you just have to follow one mission, and that mission is keep up with the consistency. Do not leave your daily task. Do not leave it blank. Do not go towards the leisure. Do not feel tired. Do not think like you have given up, or you should quit, or you should do something else, or this is not working out, or I should play game, or I should scroll Instagram reels, or I should scroll in YouTube shorts. Don't go towards the leisure in that particular day. It's completely all right that you are not feeling that much good in that day. Your energy is completely drained, even if you have did nothing in that entire day, but still you feel like your energy is drained and your mood is off, or your day is heavy. It's completely all right. In that particular day, you just have to keep up one mission, that is to keep up with the consistency. The task which you do daily, you just have to do those tasks, perform those tasks, revise what you have done earlier, and if some particular energy left in your body, then do some extra hustle, but do not stress yourself too much in that particular day. That is what I wanted to share in this video. So your every single day is not going to be the same. Today, what happened? My college day happened. I came home at around 6 o'clock. I had some food. I came to the cafe. People came here, played games. I was doing my mathematics. I was doing a probability and statistics chapter homework, and then I completed my DF remaining work. Then I completed my data structure work. Then I completed my digital fundamentals revision work. So I had enough energy. Even the day was a big day. Today I had 3-hour data structure class lecture. 3-hour lecture for data structure, and 1 hour for mathematics, and 2-hour lab for mathematics. So in total 3 hours for mathematics and 3 hours for data structure. No free lectures today. It was a heavy day, but still I had a lot of energy to do the extra hustle, because it was my good day. It was my tough, heavy, struggling day. So I had enough energy to do the hard work. So I ate some food. I came to the cafe. People played, and I did my work here, sitting here. Let me show you. Sitting here, I did my work. People were playing here games. One was playing there. One was playing here in this TV. So people were playing the games, and I was doing my work, and I did my work, and they went after playing, and I was still doing the work, and I completed my work, and I'm going for the print right now. So my circular queue is left. My stack queue and single linked list and double linked list is done. My circular queue, my circular linked list is remaining. I will complete that. So this is how you have to plan your day. This is how you have to take your good days and take your bad days. How to react to your good days and how to react to your bad days. This is what you have to learn from it. So I hope you got to learn the best values from this video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up. I'll be very happy if you do that. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who will get to learn a lot from this video. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you have to click on that subscribe button right now, so I also get happy, you also get happy, and everybody gets happy. So it's just I'll be happy if you'll do that, and I'll keep up the consistency. I do it or not, but I'll keep up with the consistency by sharing all the positive values which I learn every single day with you people, so you also get to learn a lot from it. So keep hustling, keep hard working, and peace.